Today I was watching a video, that is, I was watching about YouTube automation and cash cow on YouTube itself, so that I can find that if there is any videos that I can watch, or if anything I can learn basically new about this YouTube faceless cash cow automation niche. And I was really disheartened with it, with this video. That's the reason that I'm making the video, because I feel like we need to end this thing. I mean, this is not worth it. I mean, the information that some people are telling is completely wrong. Why? Because it's simply not good. Let's understand this, that I'm going to be giving us an example. For example, right now we are here in this meditation music. I just wrote it for you guys, so we can see that there are so many options that we can see, like this one, this relaxation music. This is live right now. Let's go down up here and you can see meditation and healing up here. And meditation, that is basically what happens. This is a channel. Okay, let's work with this channel only. So you can see this channel name is Spiritual Awakening and Meditation. So they're making some awakening, higher clearing thing. Listen to this. You should watch this video full if you want to, but I would recommend it. You should watch it because it is going to be helping you out. So that guy was giving some information, like you can use Fiverr, and from that you can take $5 and you can invest into it. I mean, come on, it is 2022, it's gonna be 2023, and things have changed massively on YouTube, and it is not the right way. And I know I can tell you exactly the same thing, but I would personally feel bad about it, because you see, I'm not going to be doing it myself. Then why should I tell you? The most important thing is not about the money that you'll be spending on Fiverr or something like that. You can simply do it, but I want to stay authentic. It's my own thing. That is the most important thing. Is you're going to be losing many hours and months, and even for some people it might be years, because you see, you are doing a YouTube automation thing, YouTube faceless channel, or YouTube cash cow channel, whatever you want to say, and you are actually doing it because you have a hope that my channel is gonna be working, and after that I'm going to be having multiple channels, or you might have multiple channels in fact, and you want to enter into this meditation music. My answer was, this channel is good, that this niche is really good. This channel is the niche is quite saturated, but saturation up to a point is necessary. I understand this, but hear me out. For example, if we go on to this channel, Spiritual Awakening Meditation, so they upload videos like instant pineal gland, increase mental strength, open your third eye, and caution and increase mental health. So basically what's happening is that they do all these videos, which is extremely nice. This is working for them very good, no problem in that. But if we go down onto this here, we can see on Social Blade that they are making like 7.4k, that is on the higher end, and like $60,000 to $70,000 every single year, which is completely okay. Getting like 1 million views onto the last, that means almost like 2 million, 1.8 million. That's almost like 2 million to be true. Now here's the thing. They have got like 12k subscribers onto the last 30 days, and that is pretty good. But that's not the thing. The thing that I want to say is, what is happening up here is, for example, if you make a channel of yourself onto this niche and you go on to Fiverr, you get a music producer, or you actually get someone who actually produces your music for $5. Think about it into a business perspective, let's assume, okay? And because I want you to understand this, that if you're going to be making for it $5, I think everybody can. So you have got two options. If your budget is low, don't worry, I got your back. I'm going to be showing you something that is free software, you can say, or if you have a little budget, you can use that software, okay? That is going to be giving you completely unique music, and I am not affiliated with that, but I can share with you another thing, that is another process onto the second part of the video, that how you can use Fiverr the right way. Because understand this, getting into a $5, that is, you're investing $5, anybody can invest. Anybody can do it for $5, $10, $15, $20, right? So anybody can produce a music video for like $5 to $10. So what is happening? The barrier to entry, which is a very simple term, that means what? For example, right now, if I tell you to make a company like Tesla, or if I tell you to make a company like SpaceX, right? For example, SpaceX is a big company. I mean, they're competing. I mean, the competition of there is with NASA. They're working with the competition is for Blue Origin or Galactic. I think Blue Origin is by Jeff Bezos, and Galactic is, I think, by Richard Branson, and I think they're working also onto space mission with NASA, right? So, like, for example, think about it. Only the billionaires can do it all. I mean, on that scale, to be true. Now, will people like you and me will be able to do? No, right? Because we don't have $1 billion. I myself don't have I'm not a billionaire, right? So what is happening up here is that the barrier to entry is really, really large. That is, we as normal individuals can never do it. I mean, we can make a good amount of money, but not at least billions right now. So the barrier to entry is really high. But in case of these things, just imagine this. For example, if you want to make a video just like this, okay, for example, if we go down up here, you'll be able to see the thumbnails are really awesome, to be true. So you can see awakening your higher mind and all that. So these things are going to be taking you $5 to $10, and anybody with $5 to $10 can easily do that, right? So the barrier to entry is really low. So what's going to be happening is very simple. Anybody can do it. And you know what's going to be happening. You see, whenever someone is on Fiverr giving you a simple part of music, he might be selling it to other person, and that might occur. And that has happened with many people I know. So what happens is that you have invested money, but the time that you have put in for that project to continue. So either you can buy a pre-monetized channel, or you can start from scratch. If you're starting from scratch, you have to wait for that 1,000 mile, that is 1,000 subscribers, and after that 4,000 hours of watch time. My god, that is a hustle in itself. And after that, you have to do, if you want to do affiliate marketing, you can do it. I mean, I'm not saying you that, but the most important thing, if your main focus is YPP, that is YouTube Partner Program, then my friend, it is really tough, because you might get copyright content, that is a copyright strike or copyright claim. Okay, so whenever you get a copyright claim, so you are going to be in trouble. I don't want that to happen. But now what you can do basically is follow these techniques. And what is that technique is very simple. You can actually use a platform like SoundRaw. Okay, so you can come in here. I'm not going to be getting any single dollar from this. Okay, so I'm just giving you for pure generosity, you can say. So you can have to write SoundDrop here, and you can see it's an AI music generator. So if you have little budget, like the way you want to be spending for Fiverr, so you can come on to sounddraw.io. So you need to come into this AI music generator, and whenever you do that, just think about it. So you can see that this is a freely customizable, high quality, royalty free music. And whenever you understand this, so you can see, let's go on to the pricing plan also, so that I can show you the pricing plans from searching music to creating music. So you can see that you can get unlimited songs, bookmark songs, YouTube and social media. You're going to be getting permanent license. Okay, so this is the main catch, I would say. You're going to be getting permanent license for all the creatives. You can, for movies, TV or radio, that means TV and radio commercials. Basically we need it for YouTube and social media, so we can have unlimited downloads and generate unlimited songs. So what's going to be happening is that for that amount of money, it is awesome, to be true. Let's go and let's see what is the pricing that we are going to be getting. So for the pricing section, we will be able to see that the pricing is really amazing. That is, we are having an annual plan. I mean, you're going to be using an annual plan, right? So it's like $17 per month. That is, you have to pay $203.88. That is almost like $200 for 1 year upfront. Okay, so I think putting in $200 onto a Fiverr, if you would do it for 10 songs, you would be able to do like for $10 you're going to be getting like 20 music, but here you're going to be getting unlimited songs. And my god, you are going to be actually completely free of all the, you're not going to be have all that tension, I would say, of what of the copyright issues that you might be getting. Okay, but here's the thing, just know this, that for doing this you need to use that one account can use Soundro on one device at a time credit. Okay, at a time credit card payment. So you can actually generate unlimited songs. You can actually download up to 50 songs per day. So that means what, 50 songs you can download per day. And then what you can do is very simple. Just think about this in this format, that you can use it for YouTube, social media and other things, and you can use it for different options. So this is a personal plan that you can take. Now let's go on to our screen, and here you can see that there are options that are simply awesome, like mood, that is happy, exciting, dynamic, sad, horror, relaxing, and the genre or style, that is acoustic, ambient, chill beat, cinematic electro, cinematic rock. Not just that, there are many more. Okay, like this comedy, corporate. Basically what's going to be happening is that you can see the length also, so you can use it for up to 5 minutes, and then you can basically loop every single thing, and whenever you do it in a loop you can actually do it instantly. So for example, we choose exciting, we can choose a relaxing music for us for 3 minutes. Okay, so we can use like ambient, okay, ambient piano, and we can choose the tempo if we want to. It's going to be slow for us. Select instrumental. This is going to be piano or anything. Let's let it be like the way it is. So let's create some music for us. Okay, so whenever we create some music for us, we will be having something, a real blast to be true. Okay, so this is creating some music for us. Let it create some music, and you can see that we have got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 15 music all total. So if we say create more music, so it's going to be creating some more music for us, and it's gonna be AI based, that is original for us. So this is going to be creating some new songs for us. Just imagine this, within few minutes you got 15 songs, and within another few minutes you got a total of 30 songs. Isn't that amazing? So this is the power that you have. Okay, so you need to put in like how much, $200, right? So you need to put in $200, and after that you will be able to make videos just like these ones. And let me show you another thing, that is another channel. The name of the channel is the Yellow Brick Cinema. It's a relaxing music channel. So you can see they have done all the things live. Let's go on to Social Blade for us. Let us wait for some minutes or some seconds, we can say. So you can see that this is amazing. So this channel has hide us, I think. So this channel is hide or something like that, I don't know. Okay, so it's getting $0 as they're saying, but it's not true. So here we can see, I think it's having some issues or glitch. Okay, no problem. But the most important thing is you can see it is getting like an average. On an average, it is getting some real great amount of views to be true. So we can see this channel is generating like $1,000, almost $1,000 every single day. Okay, so this is pretty amazing. So you can see 38k that is streamed 1 year ago, and it is 300 people are watching this, 117, okay, 71 people. Basically people are watching it. But if you want to do it to another level, and if you have a budget, then I would say that go on to Fiverr, but don't use the trick that is to get music for like $5 to $10. Don't do it. What we can do is that we can go up there and we can write something like a music producer. Okay, so we can write it as music producer. And if you want to use something, a great platform, that is you can use Pictoria. I've given a link in the description, completely free to sign up, and you can actually use it for free. Okay, so just you can try that thing out, it's amazing. So now what you're going to be doing is that the seller option would be something like, you can see all this commercial rights, and we can go up there, we can go on to pro sellers. Okay, so our budget would be just like that. So you can see, okay, let me change this to dollars so that everyone can easily understand. Okay, let's change this to USD. Okay, not an issue. Okay, perfect. So right now you can see seller details. So you can see that this guy has been making music like for 251 clients, and this guy needs like $100 for the starting. I'll be your gold record, okay, gold record, okay, gold record ghost producer. So this will be our ghost producer. That means what, they are going to be making videos for us. That means they're going to be making songs and music for us, and we're going to be getting all the thing. Okay, so for $595 you're going to be having unlimited instruments including professional mix and master, full release ready production. Perfect, right? Okay, so this is a top rated seller, and this guy is going to be making for us. So here is the thing, many people might not be able to avail like 595, that is almost like $600 for one single song. That is quite natural, right? Many people might not be able to do it, but we can actually do it real easily. So what we're going to be doing is very simple. We are going to be using that power, that is, the barrier to entry is really high, so everybody can't do it. So you're going to be having some unique content, and you can escalate your quality of the content that you're making, and then you can scale it. So for whenever you're starting by, use soundraw.io, and after that, whenever you're going to be getting some money and traction, then you can use the power of money and to get some really ghost produced music for $600 per music, you can say, and that is going to be so much amazing to be true. That is the thing that you can do, and you are going to be having quality music on your channel. Your channel is going to be growing. And if you want to start by, you can use Pictory if you want. If you want to use Pexels, completely okay. Then you can actually elevate everything by using illustrators and video editors, and who are going to be doing every single thing for you. Then I would say that is a great channel that you can actually use for your brand, you can say. So that was all for today. I hope that you have enjoyed the thing, and that was the thing that should be kept in mind whenever you are doing all of it. So thank you for watching. See you again on another video.